Hello traders, this is Mike Billion. Today is March 14, 2017, and today I'm going to talk about the monster stocks. These are the stocks that are very dangerous to trade, and you have to be very careful following your plan and very disciplined we have to honor the stop loss. So first we're going to talk about Tesla. Tesla, as you can see here, has been trading inside this rectangle for over 3 years. You see all the tops and the bottoms. Every time it goes to the top, it tests the bottom. So it happens already 4 times where price go near the major Fibonacci 287 or at Fibonacci 287 and then went down and double tests the 187 Fibonacci support and bounce. At this time, we tested 287 and it looks like it's going down to retest the 187. DMI is bearish and ADX is very strong, meaning there is a high probability that we're going to go down and test the 187. So what is the support? There's some support at Fibonacci 225 if you want to use it as your first target, because this one looks bearish right here. Now, be careful shorting Tesla, especially because we are in a bullish market, and it can happen like it happens right here, that it was going down and bounce and retest the 287. So for that reason, what will be your stop? Use the DMA 21. The DMA 21 right now is 251.68. If you trade about the 251.68, for sure it wanted to go and test the 287 and take the money for all the guys that are playing puts. That's the market makers. Now let's talk about Apple. That's the other monster. Even though Apple was a real monster a couple years ago, it is now, but I decided to include it because there's a lot of people, they're still trading Apple a lot. But before Apple, I'm telling you, 2014, 2013, that was a real monster. You need to be really careful. This was one of my favorite stock to trade. Not anymore because it doesn't move. You see this? Moving sideways here after a major breakout. Before in 2012, 2013, this will be trending or testing or going up or going down. They never moving sideways. So right here, it's just moving sideways below the DMA 21. You probably want to test the 133. Will be a nice trade if you can get it right there. I'm not going to enter long in here. I'm not going to enter short in here. There's nothing to do, but it's bullish and it's strong, and you have to respect that. So now let's talk about Facebook. Facebook is trending inside this major multi-year channel, and it looks like it's at the top. You want to go long in there? Good luck. I'm not going to go long in there. It's trending beautiful, it's strong, but buying at the top of the major channel is not a good idea. Fibonacci support at 133, but if you fail, probably, you see what happens before? That's what is really hard about this. If you fail here, it might move sideways. But if you break down the 133 Fibonacci, then you might want to test the bottom around 117, 115. So be careful also with Facebook. It's no buy right here, even though it's bullish, but it can move sideways right there at the top and eventually go down. Now let's talk about the other monster, Amazon. This one is a real monster. You have to be really careful with this one. Right here is at the bottom of the channel. It has a lot of room to go up. It's bullish in DMI, and it's just trending sideways about Fibonacci 843. That's the support. If you break down below, it's major multi-year trend support right here. It will be nice to get it right there if it goes and touch the trend support and bounce. I think this thing is gonna be 1,000 at the end of the year. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about the last one, which is Nike. Nike also breakout major trend resistance and is trending about the 56.32. This is a real monster. You see all this volatility? This is a very good stock to trade, and it's on my watch list. I'm waiting to see if you break out the top of this move right here, which is 58.37. If it goes about that level, I'm gonna go long because I don't see any resistance right here, and in my test the 67 will be my target. So traders, I have a nice promotion on my website, so please check my website. I have a join McBillion lifetime only one-time payment. You will receive the alerts, will look like this on Twitter and also on Facebook. I will send you the alert saying my idea, what calls I wanted to buy, like this one, AMD. I got it on March 3. We closed it today for 50% profits. This one we closed it for a loss, 30% loss. I have good trades and I have bad trades. You can see here also you get access to the major uh, page where you get all the current trades and my ideas and what to do and what not to do. And this is all the trades I have so far. 13 trades, 10 good trades, 3 trades that report a loss. So I also have a loss, 3 loss, 10 good ones. So we're doing really good. And you also get access to the nice, very good trading course. It was made by me. It's a homemade course, and there I try to teach everything I know. And after you watch all these videos, I will sit down with you, sharing my desktop, and I will try to help you become a great trader. So please go to the join and see the lifetime membership promotion that I'm running. It's a very nice promotion. This is everything for today. Trade on.